No, they've done a curriculum refresh because they would teach history in schools, but it would always be from the Pākehā perspective.
Yes.
And so the history never really acknowledged Māori other than, as the sort of losing side of this colonization battle. And they're often portrayed as savages and that sort of thing. So there's been a refresh with their curriculum so that it sort of goes beyond Pākehā colonization and really looks at who Māori were before colonization.
Exactly.
But it's interesting, you sort of inspired a thought as you were talking about that whole, being indoctrinated versus the native knowledge. And, people talk a lot about the American dream.
Yeah.
And so Americans are being, from the outside at least, they come across as really patriotic, almost like patriotism is such a big thing over there. And so I was curious about how that affected education, and I guess that perspective is quite interesting that you brought up in terms of having the American perspective, but then still honouring your own heritage and ancestral knowledge.
Yes.
So fascinating point you kind of made me think there.